Hi, good afternoon. So nice to be with you again. It's Jane from Fabulous Networking, previously Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men. But as you know, I want to make it more inclusive for everybody. So today, 5 of my top tips for getting the most out of your networking. This is what I've learned over the years. And it's be your brand is the first one. Be authentic even. You know, some people will fake it till they make it, or they'll just fake it and not make it. But you've got to be you. People will buy into you. So be real, be authentic, and just be yourself, because people will see through you otherwise. Second thing is always be consistent. Some people sort of might attend 1 or 2 meetings, wherever you go, business networking. And they go, oh, well, I went twice and I got no sales. People buy people. And that means building relationships. It means building trust. So give it a few more months than 1 or 2 meetings. But go every month or go every week, whichever networking you go to. Be consistent and make those relationships. And be clear on your offering. What value do you give to your clients? How can you help them? How do you make them feel? It's not, oh, I've got this widget, come and buy it. It's, what will that widget do? How will it enhance your clients personally and in their business and professional lives? So be clear. If you start waffling on, people will lose the will to live in the meeting rooms. So keep it simple, be very clear, and always remember less is more, especially if, like at some of my meetings, there's 30 people and you all have your 1 minute, then by the end of 30 people going around the room, unless you've kept it simple and clear and concise, then nobody will remember you. Not even if you're totally fabulous, just like me. And finally, today, I urge you, please follow up with those people that you said you would like to follow up with. And maybe you can find collaborations and make time, either put it in your diary there and then and organise a one-to-one after the next meeting or before the next meeting even. So do follow up. You will be amazed at the difference and how helpful people can be, because we're all small business owners wanting to grow. So we all feel that moment, and we've all gone through difficult choices in our career, and especially being self-employed. We know it's not easy. So ask for help. That's my 6th tip, really. Ask for help, but follow up. Well, that's about it for today. Thank you all for being here, and I look forward to seeing you very soon again. You take care now. Have a fabulous week.